Hello friends, this is Ricky from Vacant Wallet. In this video, we learn about making our own highlights icon for our Instagram account. Now for this, I'm gonna show you the highlights icons used by top Instagram accounts like YouTube. And here you see that they have followed some sort of emoji highlights icon. They used to name their highlights icon with emojis. Now we have YouTube India. Now they follow the widespread approach. What we call is they name the icon and then they have an icon for that. And then Instagram for business, they have again used the same icon pack just like YouTube International. Now we are gonna follow YouTube India for making our own highlights icon. And I have made one like the plain symbol you see. I use for my travel highlights, so I made myself using my own technique. Now for this you have to install Pixel Lab. I'll provide the link in description. Then you have to select a blank image or a blank template 1:1. Then insert text. Now here you have to add what we call is let me go back here. Now we are gonna make favorite highlight icon, and for this you have to insert text, then delete it and put some sort of heart icon or favorite sort of icon. Now I'll search the emoji, okay, in the Google Indie keyboard or any Google keyboard you have. I have Gboard. I will search here some sort of favorite, and heart implies favorite, so I'll go for heart, or let's try to find something else if we can, but heart goes good, so here it is. Now just it's done. Now I have to zoom it. Now you first show grid lines, then with the help of grid lines bring this heart to center, and then we are gonna resize, and after resizing we are gonna hide the grid lines and then hide the outline of the emoji. Now you will see that after enlarging it to a certain extent, it just vanishes, so we have to take that into account too. Now here it is good. Just hide the highlights and hide the grid lines and then outline, then just take a snapshot of it. I I mean you have to take a snapshot, just don't save it, because if you save it then it would not be as it is being seen. It is not like what you see is what you get. Okay, so you have to take a screenshot. Then we are going to make another highlight icon for our camera. So just type camera, or you can go for other options in other emojis, and then just show the grid lines, and then similarly like favorite icon we are gonna take a screenshot. I'll tell you what we are gonna do with these screenshots later on. Now travel I have already made. Then I'm gonna make for my brunch, make a highlight for my brunch, and similarly adjusting it, and then yeah, and then taking a screenshot. Okay, fine. Now we have left with a few. I'm gonna go for channel. Now for channel I think I should put on a play button, which is pretty good. So YouTube I should search, yeah, play button is good. Now I have to adjust it, then with the help of grid lines, then hide the grid lines, and then tapping the blank space to hide the outline, then taking a screenshot. And I'll show you if I save this image to gallery what happens. Now I'm gonna save this image to gallery. Now you will see that it will show a blank page but not our play icon. So that's why I was taking the screenshots, not saving them, because I have tried that. So don't do the wrong thing what I have done. Now you see the recent image of blank screen, which happens when you save this project. But if you take the screenshot, it would be good. Okay, now here's a blank screen of no use. So never save a project with emoji in pixel lab. Now with these screenshots that we have taken, I will crop them to 1:1. Okay, that's good. Just I will left small black area, but you can crop that too. It's just for an example. Now you can make as many emojis as you want with this method, and no one would claim their copyright over your emojis because it is being made by YouTube. It is being made by what we call Google keyboard. Okay, so Google can have the copyright, but it's for everyone's use. So we are now gonna upload our emojis that 1:1 highlights, as shown here. Now one by one we are gonna upload them. So you see that no one is gonna claim your emojis or highlights. No one is gonna claim your highlights because you have made them yourself. So it is good. Now hope you like this video, and do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. We will be pretty glad that you did so. And if you have any problem, just drop us a message anywhere. We would be glad to help. uh, we are a team of two, so we keep on progressing and keep on having new ideas, and we make the videos that are not being made, or that are being made but not uploaded, or the issues that are not being sorted for. We love to do good stuff. We love to explore. This is Ricky from Vacant Wallet signing off.